The 52-piece multi-tool saw blade set. There are 10 different types of blades, multiple amounts of them, 52 altogether. So 3 of these, the gold colored ones, are made for cutting steel also. So that's the one I'm most interested in. So if you get in a tight spot and you got to cut some steel, you can't get another type of saw in there, then this one just may do it for you. So let's give it a try here. So it could be a lot better if I wasn't holding the camera and trying to cut at the same time. But anyway, you can see they do the job. I think that's about